Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for coming to this presentation. Let me introduce myself. My name is Bima Maulana, and the purpose of my presentation is fulfill the engineering English segment. And first, I will explain to you about material properties. Then I will explain why study about material properties is so important for us. Finally, you will know how to about material properties. Next, engineering material and process. Number one, properties. Properties is characteristic of a material. It should be about the same for any piece of the material. Some properties can be measured easily, others may require breaking a specimen. Next, example properties. It is hardness, density, toughness, elasticity, ductility, conductivity, resistivity, linear expansive, soft, corrosion resistance. And next class of properties. Number one, mechanical properties. Most are related to force applied to the material. Strength, stiffness, hardness, and toughness. Number two, electrical properties. Resistivity, conductivity. Number three, magnetic properties. Number four, thermal properties. Optical properties, aesthetic properties, chemical properties, reactivity, corrosion resistance, chemical compatibility, degradation. Next, strength. Strength it is ability to endure stress, the intensity of force. Ultimate strength, high stress without decay. Yield strength, high stress without deformation. Next, mechanical properties definition. Ductility, it is the ability of a material to deform plastically before fractures. Percent elongation, plastic deformation determined after fracture by realignment and fitting together the broken and the specimen. Engineering strength, it is change in length or original length. Strength, ability to endure stress, the intensity of force. And next, ultimate tension strength or tensile strength, the maximum tensile stress that a material is capable of sustaining original area. Stiffness, stress required to give a certain strength. Toughness, energy to break. Hardness, resistance to indentation or abrasion. And next, problem faced in choosing material. Among other, the first, the most appropriate material to use. The classic example in fault strength and tenacity. Normally, material which have high strength we have only limited difficulty. The second, the selection considerability is any damage to material properties that can occur during surface operation. Next, for example, significant reduction in mechanical strength can occur as a result of exposure to high temperature or corrosive environment. Cost of production a material can be found with of properties but is very expensive. Next, Classification of material. Solid material have been conventionally grouped into 3 basic classifications. Number 1 is metal, number 2 is ceramic, number 3 is polymer. Next, metal or logam. Material in the group are composed of one or more metallic elements, such as iron, aluminium, copper, titanium, gold, and nickel. Number 2 is ceramic. Ceramic are compound between metallic and non-metallic elements. They are most frequently oxides, nitrates, and carbides. In general, the classification of material can be divided into 2, namely, number 1, metal. You can see. Next, non-metal. There are several types of non-metallic material, namely ceramic, polymer, and composite. Number 1, ceramic are hard, brittle, and are poorly conductive to heat and electric. Polymer have property of low density, poor conduction of heat and electricity, and are easy to form. Composite. Number 3, composite is a combination of material which has fixed properties. Engineering material. While technical material or engineering material are all elements or substances in the form of solid, liquid, or gas which are widely used for the need of the engineering or industrial work. Based on form of material or technical material, they can be divided into 3. Number 1, solid, massive, relatively fixed, strong bond, eggs, metal, ceramic, plastic, glass, rubber, and wood. Number 2, liquid, the shape follow the vessel weak bond. For example, lubricant, weather, gasoline, diesel, and chemicals. Gas, the shape follow the vessel. Invisible, for example, oxygen, hydrogen. The next, material properties. Every material has properties. Some the material include electrical properties, chemical properties, physical properties, the nature of technology, magnetic properties, thermal properties, and mechanical properties. For the selection of material to be used, several things must be considered, namely function, constraint, objective, variable. Next, electrical properties is an electrical properties defined by equation, where R is resistance, L is length, A is section area. Material process text. And thank you very much for your attention. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.